Hello, this is Katie and I've got a little video for you here, and it's a little bit different to what I would normally be doing. I'm going to do a little review on this book. So it's not my jewellery making genre, normally using steel, but it's something I've looked into in the past and definitely will be doing now into the future. So a few weeks ago I was gifted this book by Artisan Ideas to give a review, basically just to see what I thought about it. So being something that I'd thought about in before, for example like working with steel, I definitely jumped at the chance to have a look through this book, get some really good inspiration and just see what it's all about. So we're just going to have a quick flick through. I'm not going to show you everything because you will want to get this book because it's amazing. So you can see it is by Bet Barnett, Creating Steel Jewellery. So, and these are some, just some, because it says and more. Etching, fusing, I think that is pronounced kombu, enamelling, and working with stainless steel, and so much more. Now, this is a book that I would say you could get it like myself, never worked with these materials before, and learned so much. But also, if you've already worked with steel, I think this is going to give you so much inspiration and more insight. There are some pages that are very technical, but the way that it's put together is very easy to read. That's what I need, easy to read. So it's absolutely beautiful. It's a hardback book. Look at that jewellery to start with, absolutely gorgeous. And then we're just going to have a quick look at the table of contents. So I'm not going to read everything out, but we can see we're going through. There's an introduction that tells you lots and lots of things about this book, the objectives of the book, and it's got a little section there to be different, which is amazing. So the basics of steel. So it goes through all the basics of working with steel. It goes through lots and lots of charts and things that tell you everything you need to know. We'll have a quick look at them in a second. Then working with low carbon steel, so you need to know different things for working with low carbon steel, working with stainless steel, so on and so forth. Then we go on to like etching low carbon steel, fusing other metals to steel, fusing powdered metals to steel, everything, literally everything is covered. And then we've got the kombu on steel, which looks stunning, I've got to say. Let's just move this over a little. And then we've got patinaing steel jewellery, sealing steel jewellery, enamelling on steel. And there is a lovely glossary, a lovely like gallery at the end with lots and lots of pictures. We like pictures. So a little bit about the foreword, about the history and things. I'm just going to flick through quickly just these first few pages, and you can see it really sort of gives you a really good base work for what you're going to be doing and what is being used before. These are the type of like details that are in here. There are lots and lots of pages with these with all the details on that you would need. So let's skip forward a little bit. Working with stainless steel, look at that, that is amazing. I never even comprehended how beautiful steel could be. So yeah, I'm really impressed. So we've got all sorts of that's etching low carbon steel, and it tells you all about every possible thing. Just a quick look at some more pictures. Goes through all the tools that you'll need as well, so literally covers start to finish everything. So, and then we have got not demonstrations, instructions of how to do certain things. There are quite a lot of like little tutorials and such, preparing your metal. Let's look at this. This is absolutely stunning. This is all about fusing, creating different melting temperatures and all sorts of things, and it explains everything so beautifully and so simply. And again, we've got really like step-by-step instructions. We've got is this the, yeah, this is the kombu section. This is absolutely, look at these are gorgeous, absolutely stunning. So even if you don't actually make this sort of jewellery like myself at this time, I'm not saying I'm not going to do it because it's absolutely amazing. It's so interesting just to look at different ways of using different metals. So I absolutely think this is stunning. I mean, just things like this. It's got 24 karat gold on it. Absolutely. Layering kumbu and unbu. I'm not sure how to say that. So order of operations, it goes through steps. It's like somebody holding your hand, learning you lots of new techniques and new ways to work with different metals. I am super impressed with it. I honestly, it's just blown my mind, some of the things I've seen in here and read about in here. It covers everything. It just covers everything. So this is the little gallery part. And look at these pieces. I'm not saying you can make these pieces from that book, but you could. These are like the inspiration pieces. But a lot of the techniques it talks about within the book lead to making these style of pieces. So it's going to give you an amazing head start if that is something you want to do. And then, of course, there's a fabulous little section all about the author, Bet Barnett. She is amazing. She began metalsmithing in 2010. She is absolutely fantastic at what she does. So there you go. A nice little delve into something different for myself. I'm definitely looking into actually going forward and working with some steel and seeing how I feel about it. And I've got everything I need in this book to go forth and start making. So the lovely people at Artisan Ideas have given me a code, so you can get 15% off any of their jewellery making books. There are a few more as well, different genres. If you use this code, I'll pop it on the screen. So it's Katie Parker 15, and I will pop the link down below in the description if you want to click on their website. They have, honestly, I know I can't stop talking today, but I have looked on their website, not just jewellery making books. They've got some of the most amazing looking books, really informative about all sorts of different subjects. So it's really worth having a look through their sort of catalogue and see what they've got and what would interest you. So thank you so much for listening to this little review, and I hope to see you again very soon.